Murmuras is a platform for researchers to study smartphone behavior of their study participants. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create your own study in 2 minutes. Visit researcher.murmuras.com and create your account. After approval, log in with your username and password. Create your own study from the menu or use the automatically created test study. Add users by clicking the Add button and share the QR code or alphanumeric code to add their smartphones to your study. Invite your participants to download the Murmuras app from the Play Store. Let your participants scan the QR code or enter it manually. Have them accept the terms of service and enter their email address. For the app to do its job, participants must give it permission to track usage and location data. This data is saved on our secure servers in Germany in full accordance with GDPR requirements. You can assign external IDs to your participants to harmonize data from different sources. Download your participants' data in CSV format and analyze it in your favorite software, such as SPSS, R, or Excel. You can analyze parameters like app usage in seconds by participant. Other forms of data you can analyze include phone usage by day and app usage by day, detailed app sessions in seconds, and location data of your participants. Additional data types are also available, including physical activity and data from wearables. You can trigger survey questions at any time or context-related via app notifications. Murmuras is based on the Menthol study, which has been running at the University of Bonn since 2014 and has collected data of more than 500,000 participants. For more information, check out our website. Create your own study now at murmuras.com.